Hello, and welcome to your online video tutorial of your new reputation management software. On the left side, you will see your review profile. This contains your business information, and you can customize and edit this at any time by clicking on the demographic information. The next section is for your review site links. These are the links to which your customers will be navigated to if they choose to leave a review on your business. The site in position 1 will be the most encouraged site for your customers to leave their review. This can be changed at any time by clicking and dragging the review site links into the preferred position. You also have the ability to show or hide any existing site links, edit, or delete. If you'd like to add a new site link to your business profile, you simply click on Add a Link. This presents a pop-up with a variety of different websites that you can choose to add to your profile for customers to leave their review. Simply click on your preferred choice and paste your URL within the pop-up. Lastly, you have an area to set your email notifications for whenever you receive an online review. To preview what your customers will see, we can look at this main area. This is what your customer will see if they decide to leave you a positive review. This pop-up is also customizable. They can choose to leave the review on Google, Facebook, or the Yellow Pages based on your review site links. If a customer wants to leave you a not bad review, a pop-up window will appear that allows them to enter their information along with a message about their experience. This gives you the opportunity to address any concerns that the customer has had prior to posting the review on a public web page. The same pop-up can appear if the customer decides to leave you a negative review. Again, giving you the opportunity to address any concerns prior to the review being posted on the website. All of this information is located under the Funnel tab of your main page. The next area that we're going to look at is under the Content tab under your funnel. The first area that we see on the left is the Message to All Visitors. As you can see, this information is presented here in a preview screen for what your customers will see. This is completely customizable. The next section is for your interaction design. This allows you to recover unhappy customers before they write a review. You can choose to change how your visitors are directed by clicking on the drop-down menu here. The next section is for your public review workflow. These visitors are presented with your review site links and instructions. Again, completely customizable. We also have your private feedback workflow, where your visitors are presented with a contact form or custom feedback form. Beneath that, we have our button labels. This allows you to customize the labels under the icons for your feedback page. As you can see, our happy face link text reads good, our neutral face reads not bad, and our sad face reads terrible. We're going to update this to bad. To see a new preview of what your page will look like, we can update the content on the bottom. You also have the option to attach an offer on your referral page. If we click Show an Offer, you can edit the description that your customers will see and add an attachment here. The next area that we're going to look at under our funnel is our Setup tab. This is where you can edit your brand business name, your short name, you can upload a logo, and you can also change the color scheme for your landing page. This also gives you the option to update the icons that your customers see when they're leaving your online reviews. Simply click on the button that says Change, and you are presented with a variety of options that allow you to change your review layout. The next area that we're going to look at is our Widgets tab. We have some different options on this page, including our landing page widget with automatic embedded code for you to put on your web page, and a preview below of what your customers will see. On the right side, there is an area for your email signature snippets, as well as a QR code that you may embed on your web page. The next area that we're going to look at is our Invites tab. These are our review invites with a variety of different options. Under Recipients, we can review our pending, active, and inactive recipients. We can also take a look at any and all email and text activity. Under Pending Recipients, we have the option to add any new recipients that we want to send a request to leave an online review. To add a recipient, we want to click on the Add a Recipient button. This gives you the option to select email or text reminders, or if you'd like, you can select both. For this example, we're simply going to select text reminder. You want to input the mobile phone, as well as the first and last name of the customer. After you've added their information, you simply click on Add Recipient. This customer has been successfully added. Now we can see their information under the Pending Recipients tab. Here we also have the option to activate, delete, or unsubscribe this particular customer. If we navigate to our Active Recipients tab, we will see all new active recipients. Please note that new recipients that are flagged as pending will not receive emails until activated. You are free to activate them one at a time, in bulk, or even have the system auto-activate a few each day. Our next tab is for our inactive recipients. This shows both their email and phone number, name, messages sent, and last sent date. You also have the option to reactivate these recipients or delete them entirely from the list. Our next tab is for email and text activity. This will show any email or text message activity from recipients that have been added to the system. The next tab under Review Invites is our Email tab. This allows you to customize your email drip campaign. By default, there will already be a template in place that you are welcome to customize. This template is useful because it will allow you to remind customers to complete a review, and by default, you have 3 emails already in place: an immediate, a follow-up request, and a final request. The next tab under our Review Invites page is our Phone Text Message tab. Similar to our email campaign, you can customize your text message campaign to remind customers to leave you an online review. The next area that we're going to take a look at is our Reviews tab. This tab gives you an overall view of all reviews that your business has received. You can filter by specific publisher or by reviews with specific ratings. This gives you a breakdown on the dates that the review was received, the customer that placed the review, the overall rating, and the description of the rating. Within the status column, you can also share or respond to the review on whatever website the review was entered. The next tab under your reviews page is your customer feedback. If you've responded to any of your online reviews, this will show the feedback that you have left with date, customer details, message, and status. The next area under your Reviews tab is your Review Stream. The Review Stream allows you to place a stream of reviews on your web page. You can customize to show just the rating or the rating and the reviews. If you click the box to include empty, you will only see the review rating and not the description. In the center, we can see a preview of our Review Stream. The Review Stream embedded code is located on the bottom left side of the page. The last area under our Reviews tab is the Settings button. Here, you can set up review alerts for your business to be sent to a specific email address, and you can also set up your stream defaults to auto-publish your review ratings into your review stream. This page also allows you to add social media accounts for easy sharing. The last area that we're going to take a look at in our reputation management software is our Reporting tab. This Reporting tab gives you an overall reputation score for your business. It is very useful to see the type of review activity your business has received. Under the Analytics tab, we will see an overall reputation score. This includes the total number of reviews and the overall average rating. If we scroll down, we will see a breakdown of that review activity. We will see a change in volume review, as well as new reviews by site. And we will also see our funnel activity. If we scroll down a bit more, we will see our campaign activity and our outreach activity. On the very bottom of our page, we're going to see the sentiment analysis and word clouds. This allows you to drag the slider to see word clouds generated from the most positive or most negative reviews. If we drag our slider to the right, we will see the word cloud display based off the most positive reviews. If we drag our slider to the left, our word cloud will display with words from our most negative reviews. One last icon to point out is in the upper right-hand corner of our page. This notification icon will show you notifications for new reviews received and when they were received. Thank you. This concludes our video tutorial of your new online reputation management software.